In this video, you are going to see how to adjust page border like this in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Here I have a blank page. Now go to Layout and under the page setup, click on over here. Now under the margin, let me choose the left margin to 2 inch and click on OK. Then the text will be start from here. Now we have to go to Design, go to Page Border and click on the box border, and let me choose the white to 2 points, and if I click OK, then the page border will not apply it properly. So let us go to the page border again, select box border 2 point and click on the option, and here I have to change a setting from the measure from and click over text, then click on over here and click on OK. Then the page border will be adjusted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.